This is a 2-bedroom unit, 68 square meter. Pagpasok nyo po, on your left, andito po yung natin, kitchen. Meron tayong bar, table bar. Dito po ilalagay yung natin, yung refrigerator natin. And then andito po yung natin sa windshield. Yan. Ayan po yung saksakan ng electric natin. Ito po yung abang natin for the windshield. Yan po, naka-ready na po. And then, ito po yung overhead and under counter cabinet. Meron na pong countertop. And then sink. And then, ito po yung maid's quarter natin. Meron po siyang sariling toilet and bathroom. Ito po yung provision for natin for the washer. Ayan po. Meron po siyang ventilation. Ayan po. So, as you can see, this is your living and dining areas. Meron po tayong accessible sa balcony. And then, ito po yung aircon natin. 1.5 horsepower, window type. And then, ito po yung hallway. Go to our master's bedroom. Ito po yung first bedroom natin. Yan. Yan po. Meron po tayong abang for the window type aircon. 1.5. Yan po. And then, ito po yung natin, common toilet and bathroom. Ayan po siya. Ayan. Ready na po. Gagamitin nyo na lang po. And then, this is the master's bedroom. Ayan. Sa sariling balcony. Mayroon din pong aircon. Lagayan. Provision for the aircon. 1.5 horsepower window type aircon. Ayan. Ito po ang picture niya. And this is the master's toilet and bathroom. Ayan po. Ready na po yan. Yan, gagamitin na lang po, damit na lang po yung ang dadalhin para makapag-move in. Yan. For this one, this is a 68 square meter 2-bedroom with balcony. This unit is facing the Ali Mall and Araneta Coliseum. Ayan po. And may view rin po tayo dito ng Ortigas and Makati Skyline. Ayan po. As you can see, ayan po, maluwag, walang obstruction. Ayan po, yun lang po yun. If you prefer a higher floor, pwede rin po. Pero we have available units lower po. Ayan po. So, as dito po yung tsura niya. Ayan. Ayan po. For this one, the down payment for this is 300,000 to move in. To reserve this unit is 30,000. Ang requirements lang po is 2 valid ID, government valid ID. And post-dated checks po, yun po requirements to move in and to hold this unit or to secure under your name. Ayan po. So, yan. If you prefer to visit this, just message me on your what is your favorite or free time para ma-prefer po natin yung keys itong unit na to. Yun lang po. This is a inner unit, 2-bedroom. Hindi po siya corner. Although meron naman po, we will check pa po yung availability ng mga susi natin na 2-bedroom. Yun lang po. And if you have some more questions, just send me your message. You can contact me on my Viber WhatsApp number 0915-296-8141. Thank you.